Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up all the pages that come with your Materia theme. This includes contact, wishlist, about us, and more, so let's jump right in. When you install the Materia theme, the templates are there, but the actual pages don't get created automatically. So here's how to create them. So let's say, for example, we want to create a wishlist page. Go to your Shopify admin, click Online Store, Pages, and click the Add Page button. Now, in the new page editor, set a title to wishlist, make sure visibility is set to visible, scroll down to the bottom of the page editor, find the drop-down that says Theme Template, select the template called wishlist. Once that's done, just click Save, and that's it. You just have to repeat the same process for other pages, just make sure to select the right template for each one. Now, if you want to build a custom page like your own template, go to Online Store, Themes, click Customize the Materia theme. In the top center drop-down, select Pages, click on Create Template, name your new template like About Us 2, and base it on the default page, let's say. You'll now be inside the editor where you can add or remove sections however you want. After you finish designing your custom page template, go back to your online store, Pages, edit the page you want to use, scroll to the Theme Template dropdown, and select your new template like About Us 2. Click Save, and that's it. Make sure to check out our next videos where we walk you through how to install and activate a theme, how to update your theme, and many other essential tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.